Experiencing frequent disconnections with your Optus Wi-Fi, NBN, or mobile data? You're not alone. Optus has been working to improve network stability since the 2022 cyber attack. While urban areas have seen improvements, rural areas and NBN users still face disruptions. NBN sync issues occur when your modem loses connection with the NBN box, often due to signal problems, faulty cables, or network congestion. Wi-Fi disconnections can be caused by interference, outdated firmware, or modem overheating. Mobile data instability arises from overloaded cell towers or issues switching between them. Let's begin troubleshooting to fix these issues. Start with basic troubleshooting by rebooting your modem and router. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug them back in to refresh the connection. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Check that connections are tight and undamaged. For NBN sync issues, check for damaged cables and consider using a wired connection for testing stability. Update your modem and router firmware through the device settings or manufacturer website to fix known issues. For Wi-Fi issues, try changing the channel on your router to avoid interference and consider a mesh Wi-Fi system for better coverage. For mobile data, ensure your device's software is up to date and check Optus's network status in your area. Use the Optus app for free diagnostics to identify and resolve connection issues. If problems persist, contact Optus support for further assistance and potential compensation. Expect continued improvements as Optus invests in infrastructure upgrades and AI-driven solutions.